simple fan activity, let us make simple buzzer by replacing the motor bit with a buzzer bit. So let us take the buzzer bit from the electronic bits. So this is the buzzer bit. Now remove the connections from the motor bit and take out the fan and pop out the motor and fix the buzzer bit. Now connect the buzzer bit to the rocker switch and turn on the rocker switch. If you turn the rocker switch on the other bidirectional side, the buzzer will not buzz because buzzer is a single directional one. An electrical buzzer uses an electromagnet to make a loud repetitive sound. It is invented in 1831 by Joseph Henry. It is often used as a doorbell or an alarm. Happy tinkering and happy doing!